Okay guys, so I'm gonna basically tell you how to test this smoke detector. Right here, if you can see, it has a normal, a test 1, and a test 2. What normal is if you have it flipped to that, the smoke detector's normal, nothing's happening, but it's sensing smoke and all that. When you turn it to test 1, it does its test, and when you turn it to test 2, it tests for sensitivity. When you have it to test 2, you don't want the alarm going off. If the alarm does go off, you have to replace it, or you can do another thing which I'll talk about later in this video. So I'm going to basically show you how to test it. I'm going to turn it to test 1, and then I'm going to turn it to test 2. So here's what you're going to do. And it takes 10 to 20 seconds to sound. As you can see, the red light is already flashing, and as you can see, it is going, and to turn it back, you just turn it to normal. And it takes about 10 to 20 seconds for it to stop. And that completes the test. Also, for test 2, you just flip the knob to test 2, which I'm going to go ahead and do. Oh, wait, other way. There. Nothing should be sounding, and nothing is, so my unit is good. But if it does sound, you need to replace it, or you can, I'll get to that. Make sure when you do it to test 2, you turn it back to normal. Just like that. So now your smoke detector is all good. So I keep on telling you what to do if it does sound for test 2. You can either replace it, or you can wash it. Yes, I said you can wash it. You can get some soapy water and just dip the unit in, dip it out. And you have to let it air dry. You can't put it in the oven or microwave or anything like that because it'll break it. I would say you have to let it air dry about 2 days just to be sure. So that's basically the test part.